What's more fun than an LED fidget spinner? Let's see. A LED spinning top. I don't know if the light's gonna work. Sadly, one of the lights has gone out in my LED spinner. These little batteries usually last a while, but nope, it went out. Okay, fidget spinner. Okay, let's put the top on one more time. So let's see what it does if it hits into the fidget spinner.
Uh-oh, and then they break.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Let me see if I can put it close enough. Nope, it ran away. It's like magnetic, it just doesn't want to go near there, near the top. Should I put this on a loop so kids can tease their parents? Okay, that's about it. Bye.